Hi, everybody. I'm Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. It's Wednesday, April 16th, 2025, and it is now past the halfway point in the month of April. We're deeper into the month. You'd hope for some warmer temperatures, and we do have some good news, some pretty toasty temperatures, at least a day or two of air that we could be flirting with temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees by the time one of the days is said and done, which we're going to check out here first, as we like to do the forecast first, which is precisely what will show you the extended outlook. Look at this beautiful, what a way to kick it off. Friday's high, 78 degrees. It'll be a breezy day, but a beauty with partly to maybe mostly cloudy skies. Rain shower activity should hold off until later in the day on Friday, the way the timing looks now. Unfortunately, the weekend could start off a bit on the soggy side. Rain, perhaps some thunder. Temperatures cooler, 67, down to 59 on Sunday, but a lesser probability that we'll be dodging raindrops. Monday, showers are likely with partly sunny skies, maybe mostly cloudy, and high temperatures in the low 60s. So that's what we have planned. This is a look at Fairport Harbor. Now you can see the sun is finally out. It took a while. A bit on the breezy side too, and you can see the windsock rotating there in the brisk west and northwest wind regime that we have going out there right now. Meantime, we'll have a look from outer space, and you can see the sun took its sweet time finally breaking out, but it did finally come out over most of the state, although the northern tier was basically cloudy for the first part of the day. After about noon, 1 o'clock, we started to see the cloud deck erosion. Just took a long time happening. High pressure finally trying to take control, having a bit of a tough time doing that. We'll widen the view, show you the most inclement weather actually over New England, where clouds are hanging tough, rain showers, maybe even a few snowflakes actually mixing in. There's enough cold air around. And fairly quiet over the center of the country. There is at least a marginal risk for some strong to severe thunderstorms as a weather system begins to assemble out over the plain states. There are a couple of showers now east of Wichita over to Kansas City, the Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul picking up some rain, and also over Quebec, east of Buffalo, some light rain shower activity. We'll put the maps in motion, show you high pressure basically scouring out a good deal, if not all of our clouds tonight. So we'll see basically moonlit skies. High pressure tomorrow morning in control. Closest rain over Illinois and parts of the Hoosier state. You can see that area of precipitation lifts northward by tomorrow night. There is a warm front that will tug our temperatures up. I think tomorrow will stay in the 60s, but we'll be well into the 70s to maybe even near 80 by Friday. This is Friday morning's map. And even though we're painting a light green over northern Ohio, I think most of the precip action would remain at bay until later in the day on Friday. The winds are going to howl. Look at the web of pressure lines. They're packed pretty close together, the isobars, and that's indicative of perhaps a greater wind regime. There's going to be quite a bit of snow over the Rockies, the Colorado Rockies over to Utah, and a pretty good swath of snow. That's where we're going to keep it, though. Fortunately, April can be a cruel month that way. Friday evening, a cold front is approaching, and we could be dealing with maybe some rambunctious thunderstorms on Saturday. We'll see how it all goes together. As of right now, we're not looking at a huge severe weather risk with the arrival of the front heading closer to Easter Sunday. Anyway, here's the rain shower activity assembling. And as you see, late Thursday night on into early Friday, there's a couple of light rain showers that try to move in. So might there be a passing shower? This computer model seems to suggest it Friday, but I think the vast majority of the raindrops, the lion's share of precip, would hold off. That being said, here's a look at our forecast now for tonight, mainly clear and moonlit. We've got the waning moon up there, the pink moon. Mars, Jupiter will be visible tonight. Going to be a chilly night, down to 32. Cover your tender vegetation. West winds at 5 to 10. Really shouldn't stick anything in the ground until around Mother's Day. But some folks are like to do that, and I'm sure keep up on the temperature forecast. Bright sunshine tomorrow, seasonably warm. Look at that high, 63. That's just above normal for this time of the year. South winds should be generally light. Here's a look at the extended if you didn't see it the first time. A breezy beauty on Friday, 78. 67 on Saturday. Showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, it looks like. Then down to 59 with a few showers left over on Sunday. And showers likely tomorrow on Monday with a high of 63 degrees. That'll do it from here. We appreciate you stopping by as always. From the AJ Colby Weather Center, I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.